Shopify HMAC parameter verification failing in Python. I'm having some trouble verifying the HMAC parameter coming from Shopify. The code I'm using per the Shopify documentation is returning an incorrect result. Here's my annotated code. Parse the query string. Extract the HMAC value. Remove parameters from the query string per documentation. Recombine the parameters. Calculate the digest. Returns false. That last step should, ostensibly, return true. Every step followed here is outlined as commented in the Shopify docs.
At some point, recently, Shopify started including the protocol parameter in the query string payload. This itself wouldn't be a problem, except for the fact that Shopify doesn't document that column and slash are not to be URL encoded when checking the signature. This is unexpected, given that they themselves do URL encode these characters in the query string that is provided. To fix the issue, provide the safe parameter to alib.parse.alarmcode with the value column slash fitting right. The full working code looks like this. Hope this is helpful for others running into this issue.
False hold down. This is sliding screen.